Description: conditioning cleanser that replaces your shampoo. A different kind of cleanser that wants strip color, natural oils, inherent beauty from your hair. Benefits: neutralizes hard water minerals and prevents discoloration and color fade. Suggested use: clenditioning your hair retains essential oils and locks in color while gently whisking away dirt with a no-lather wash. Top reviews from the United States: protects my color and the volume is amazing. I am a gym rat and need to wash my hair every day. Shampooing can strip the natural oils and leave my hair flat. Keracolor leaves my hair smells fresh and full of volume. Great for colored hair. I love this stuff. It is perfect for cleansing between washes or just for regular use. It always leaves my hair feeling super soft, even 3 to 4 days later.